Hi, Tim Throop here, sales engineer with Bitzer Mobile. Welcome to our video blog. This video blog is a series of videos that describe what our product is, what the Bitzer Mobile solution can do for you and your organization, and how the features that we offer are beneficial for mobility strategies, whether it's bring your own device or corporate-owned devices. Anytime you want access to corporate data, internet, intranet, mail, calendar contacts, file shares, etc. You can get all of that access from the Bitzer Mobile containerized solution. Now, you've seen some other video blogs here that describe what the solution is and how it's beneficial. I want to talk about one specific feature that is very popular with our solution, and that is called single sign-on. Now, what that means is it really is the ability to log on to various websites, SharePoint sites, file shares, servers of various sorts, using one set of credentials. There's nothing more aggravating than having to log on to one site and then when you go to another site having to log on again and again and again. It is particularly aggravating if you are a mobile user traveling in an airport somewhere, on a plane, in a car, anywhere you're out and mobile, having to enter your password again, having to enter your credentials again. It can be really aggravating and slowing down and really not productive. So we have developed a very unique and patented solution for entering passwords one time, Active Directory accounts one time, and using those accounts to get validated by other servers that are part of a trusted organization. So I want to show you what the difference is between an environment that does not have single sign-on and how aggravating that can be, and compare that to the solution. So let's look at some websites here. This is a series of websites. They are connected to one another. They're in the same data center and are part of the same domain, the same Windows Active Directory domain. But notice when I'm connecting to these, I have to log on to each one of them every time I want to go to a different site. And this is, again, very, very aggravating and tiresome when you're on the road. It's tiresome when you're using a PC or a laptop anyway. You really should be able to carry those credentials forward amongst multiple sites. So you'll notice I'm constantly logging in here. There is no caching of credentials, no sharing of credentials. The main reason for that is there's security issues with using cache credentials. At Bitzer we don't do that. We actually have a very unique way of delivering Kerberos authentication using TGTs and TGS, using either username and password from Active Directory or from certificates, the user smart card logon certificates. We also have the ability very shortly to deliver radius one-time passwords, so RSA tokens. The whole point is that once you enter this data in, once you're in the secure area, you shouldn't have to constantly be entering it. And you'll notice here in the Bitzer solution, I don't have to do that. I enter one time to get into our secure container, and then once I'm in, I can peruse various sites and not get constantly prompted for credentials. In fact, I'm not prompted at all here because I use the unique and patented solution to get to various sites with a single set of credentials. So same security using Active Directory authentication. We also have encrypted data in transit and at rest. Provides a much better user experience than a lot of competing products. If you want to hear more about the Bitzer solution, please go to www.bitzermobile.com and watch for regular updates to this video blog. Thanks for watching.